Bonjour, c'est Claire à Clearly French. Today we're going to be comparing two French tenses which are really important, the imperfect versus the perfect tense, l'imparfait, le passé composé. Let me give you a little reminder about the passé composé first. It is used for one-off actions that happened in the past. For instance, hier, j'ai mangé des moules. Yesterday, I ate mussels. J'ai mangé, I ate or I have eaten. Je suis allé à Paris la semaine dernière. I went to Paris last week. Si je suis allé, passé composé. On s'est bien amusé chez nos cousins. We had a lot of fun at our cousins. Again, on s'est bien amusé is reflexive, but it's still passé composé. Here's a reminder about the imperfect. It's used for ongoing, habitual or incomplete past actions, as well as setting the scene or describing states of being. For instance, when you want to say used to or was plus ing, this is the tense you would use. For instance, quand j'étais jeune, je sortais souvent. When I was young, I used to go out often. Il pleuvait toujours pendant les vacances, alors on allait au cinéma. It was always raining during the holidays, so we used to go to the cinema. Now let's do a comparison of both tenses. Je lisais un livre quand il a commencé à pleuvoir. I was reading a book when it started raining. Was reading is your progressive action, background action. It started raining, one-off. Hier, j'ai vu Pascal au marché. Il cherchait des kiwis, mais il n'y en avait pas. Yesterday, I saw Pascal at the market. He was looking for kiwis, but there weren't any. I saw Pascal, one-off. He was looking for, progressive action. There weren't any, state of being. Elle a trouvé les clés qu'elle cherchait partout. She found the keys she was looking for everywhere. She found the keys, one-off. She was looking for, progressive action. Now let's do some more examples. Quand j'étais petit, je jouais au football tout le temps, mais un jour je me suis cassé la jambe. When I was small, I used to play football all the time, but one day I broke my leg. I was small, j'étais petit, state of being. Je jouais au football, I used to play football. I broke my leg is the one-off action. On était en train de dîner quand tout à coup on a entendu un bruit bizarre. We were having dinner when all of a sudden we heard a strange noise. So here I've used on était en train de, but you could have said on dînait because we were having dinner. And then the clue is all of a sudden we heard a strange noise. That's the one-off action. Elle chantait sous la douche quand elle a glissé. She was singing in the shower when she slipped. Was singing, progressive action. She slipped, one-off action. I think you get the idea now. Now remember to claim your free ebook, The 12 Golden Rules of French, at the link in the description. And also check out my Parler Français Level 1 and 2 course if you want to speak French the fastest possible way.